How to block websites on Google Chrome on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and type nextdns.io. Now click on search. Now tap on try it now. Now scroll to the right and tap on deny list. Now tap on add a domain and enter your website. Now tap on next. Again go back and tap on setup. Now scroll down and copy this private DNS. Now scroll down and copy this private DNS. Now tap on copy and go back to your home screen and open up settings. Now tap on connection and sharing. Now click on private DNS. Now select specified DNS and paste the DNS and click on save. Now go back to your home screen and open up Google Chrome. Now when I try to open up YouTube on my device, as you can see it won't load. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.